Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Wizz Air flight date. In this walkthrough, we'll navigate the Wizz Air website to the exact place where the airline explains how date changes work, along with the rules, costs, and what to expect before you make any changes. Start by opening your web browser and going to Wizz Air's official website. Once the home page loads, take a moment to let everything finish rendering. We'll be heading to the Help Center, which is where Wizz Air hosts its guidance on changing bookings. Now scroll down the home page. Keep going until you reach the footer area, where you'll find a section labeled Help Center. It's designed to be easy to spot near other customer support links. Click Help Center to open Wizz Air's support hub. On the Help Center page, look for the topic called Booking Modification. This is the category dedicated to making changes to existing reservations. Click it to open the full list of modification options. Next, choose Flight Change. This narrows the help content specifically to changing flights and will point you to the most relevant policies and instructions for switching your flight date. Inside Flight Change, select Date, Time, and Destination Changes. This page explains what kinds of changes are possible, any restrictions that may apply, and how fees and fare differences are calculated. It's a great place to confirm the rules that apply to your ticket type before you proceed. Finally, open the section labeled One-Way Flights. This section focuses on adjustments for one-way bookings, including how date changes are handled and what charges may be involved. Read through the details carefully. You'll typically see guidance on when you can change a flight, how to calculate any fare difference between your original and new date, and what to do if your new date isn't available. A few tips as you review this information. Have your booking reference and the passenger's last name ready. You'll likely need them when you go on to make the change. Check timing rules because some changes may only be allowed up to a certain cutoff before departure. Take note of extras like seats and baggage, as they may move with your booking or need to be reselected after a change. Fees and fare differences vary depending on routes, dates, and promotions, so the examples on the page are your best guide to current costs. That's it. By following these steps, you've reached the exact Wizz Air guidance for changing your flight date on a one-way booking, so you can proceed confidently with the most up-to-date rules and pricing.